Welcome to Core English.
Hi everyone, I'm Andrea. Welcome to this video. This video is for English beginners, A1 level. In this video, I talk about my evening routine. I use simple words, easy sentences, and daily actions. You can listen, repeat, and practice with me. Okay, let's start. After work, I go home. I arrive at my house around 6:30 p.m. First, I open the door. I step inside and say, "Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad." Then I close the door and take off my shoes. My feet are tired. I put down my bag near the door. My bag is heavy, very heavy. It feels like it has my whole office inside. Next, I take off my jacket and hang it up. Then I change into my home clothes. They are soft and very comfortable. Now I go to the kitchen. I wash my hands. Clean hands are important. I help my mom with dinner. Sometimes I cut vegetables. Sometimes I set the table. I'm not a great cook, but I try my best. At 7 p.m., we eat dinner together. We sit down, eat, and talk. We talk about our day and laugh a lot. After dinner, I clear the table. I pick up the plates and put them in the sink. Sometimes I wash the dishes. Sometimes I move very slowly, hoping someone else will do it. After that, I go to my room. I turn on the light and sit down at my desk. I need to do a little work at home. Just a little, promise. I open my laptop, I check my emails, I write some notes, and finish a small task. My desk is clean at first, but 5 minutes later, papers everywhere. After about 30 minutes, I stop working. I say, "Okay, work is done. Now it's my free time." I sit down on my bed and check my phone. Just a few minutes. Okay, maybe 10. Then I change my clothes. I put on my pajamas. Now I feel relaxed. I read a book, watch a short video, or listen to soft music. Around 9:30 p.m., I get ready for bed. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face. Goodbye, long day. I turn off the light and walk back to my room. I set my alarm, lie down on the bed, and pull up the blanket. I feel warm and sleepy. I think, "Good job today, Andrea." That's my evening routine. Simple, real, and easy. If you are an English beginner, listen again and practice with me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Good night.